One of the neighbours called us and said that the house of a doctor was hit. We were upstairs and we came downstairs with the children. At 1 o'clock in the morning, the first strike hit. Where should we go? There are around 50 people in the house. How can we evacuate? Where can we go with 6 families?
They threw these from planes for us to evacuate our homes. Where should we go? It's better to die in our homes. There's nowhere to go. Should we go sit in the schools? People are sitting on top of each other there.
The papers they are throwing are useless. It's just meant to break us apart. It's useless.